Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a little project I'm doing. I have some thank you cards to make for my gracious subbies who have sent in memory decks cards for my challenge that I just completed last month. And so to start me off, I figured I would go through some of my paper pads that I'm trying to use up, or go through some of the sets that I've received that I haven't played with yet. And so this one I've played a little with it. I'm trying to use it up. It was the dolphin2stamp set by the Stamps of Life, and I actually have only this paper left, these strips, and then but I am not done, so I probably will end up using this. Okay, my video ran out, so yeah, but I'm not done. I am going to end up using this, and so I do have the next cards pretty much set up. They're going to all be the same. And this is the die set I used to cut out the circle that I'm using for the sentiment. And that's probably where I'll use some of this paper up with to do that. Because some of them are solid pieces and no more patterns, so I can stamp the sentiment on it. But yeah, so I have these other ones just placed and ready. I just gotta cut that out, and so this will take me pretty much through this paper pad, I think. And yeah, and I'll end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 8-ish cards. So I'll be back to share them once I get them all put together. Okay, so these are the 8 cards I ended up with. They're just blank inside. They all say sending a note of thanks, and pretty much the same theme. Well, it is, because I just used up whatever I had left. So yeah, 8 cards. I still have about 25 something more to make. So stay tuned for more card making. Please subscribe if you want to join me on this journey. And if you've liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for more videos like these. Stay tuned. And until the next video, shakas!